Hi everyone, welcome to English with Helen. Today we're talking about comparative adjectives. Ted, can you remember what an adjective is?
It describes a noun.
That's right. When we use comparative adjectives, we're comparing two nouns. What do they look like? The adjective might have ER on the end, or it might have the word more before it. We're going to look at this form in part 2 of our video. Right now we're looking at ER. When we add ER to the end of the adjective, we have to remember to use the word than after it. Taller than, older than.
What happens if the word has a Y, Helen?
Yes, if we have the Y, Ted, we have to drop that and we change it to the I. So we add IER to the end. Earlier, earlier than. Here's another example. I hope that's made the first part of comparative adjectives a little clearer to you. Join us in part 2. See you!